Do you know where your owner's manual is? Do you even know how important your owner's manual can be to you? Hi, I'm Nancy at Nebel's Auto Service Center. So many times I've had customers tell me they don't know how to operate a feature on their vehicle or even what a light may mean on their dash. Your owner's manual, which is usually found in your glove box, is a wealth of information. Now, sometimes too much information that can be overwhelming. But over time, vehicles, they have become much more complex and they are designed with more technology. So with this technology comes a learning curve needed to help understand the ability your vehicle has. Grant, where does Dad say you can do your best reading because you have that dedicated time to read? Exactly, while you're on the job. So I recommend you put your owner's manual within reach for that uninterrupted moment you have in the bathroom. You can do double duty, pun intended. Thank you for watching and share the information with others as they may be looking for something to occupy themselves next time they have that moment out. Like us on Facebook and remember, Nebel with a K, say that next time you're in and get 10% off of your service.